All right, just finished this yard up. Man, I am depleted of electrolytes, y'all. Knocked out the yard though, as you can see. Looking good on this hot day. It said it's 96. Ambient feels like 105. And as you can see, I am in desperate need of some electrolytes, and I am going to make my own do-it-yourself electrolyte drink mix, all natural. So stay tuned to this video, y'all, so I can get these electrolytes back in me. All right, let's get into it as I take a little break and head to the house. As you can see, as it's flashing, the exterior temperature is 96, y'all. 96. That is hot, man. And summer hasn't even kicked in down here in Texas. So we get back to the house, and we're gonna get into this good old DIY electrolyte drink mix, all natural. Until then, holla, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back with you. It's been a while. It's good to be back, y'all. But anyway, back after cutting those clients' yards at my house now. Finally cooled off a tad bit. Getting ready to get in and, you know, put this do-it-yourself drink mix together. It's all natural, straight fruits and minerals that you have in your own pantry or your cupboard. The main thing is to let people know that you do not have to buy those store-bought drink mixes and Gatorades, Powerades, and Primes and all that stuff. It's not good for you, y'all. You know, I mean, we really don't know what they're putting in it. They say it on the ingredients and all that stuff, but we really don't know what they put in it. But this one, you will know what you put in because you're doing it yourself. So anyway, I greatly appreciate you for tuning in with G the Yard Man. If you're new, thank you for stopping by the channel. This is a great informational video for you, especially this time of year. Summertime is hotter than hot where I'm at in the Houston area. Man, we having a Texas heat wave right now. So you need to replenish yourself with plenty of water, of course, but the essential electrolytes. And I'm going to go over a brief overview of what those are, why we need them, and just give you some information that you might not know. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Please hit that like and that subscribe button after the video, y'all. Holla.
Electrolytes are essential minerals like sodium, calcium, and potassium that are vital to many key functions in our body. Electrolytes regulate muscle contractions and keep you hydrated. Electrolytes also balance your pH level and control your nervous system function. Now, as we know what electrolytes are and why we need them, let's get into this DIY drink mix. First, we have sea salt for replenishment. Next, sliced watermelons that we're gonna juice. I usually use 3 to 4, but I have 3 here. Next, after that, we have a little lemon juice or lime. Then coconut water for extra minerals that you're gonna lose when you're out sweating. And for sweetness, we have stevia, or you can use honey. I actually prefer honey, but in this video I use stevia. So first begin slicing up off the watermelon rinds and getting the slices cut up as finely as I can so I can put it into the juicer. So discard all the rinds. You can use seeded or seedless watermelon. In this case, I use seeded ones. That's what I prefer. So as you see, I'm chopping up finely as I can so I can start juicing. Now everything is sliced up, ready to put into the juicer. As you can see here, I'm just making sure I get a cup full. Even though this recipe does not require a cup full, I made a cup full of watermelon juice. Those slices produce a lot of juice. You just need a small amount for this this batch that we're gonna make, which I will later talk about the measurement and amount. So just make sure you get as much juice as you can, because you're going to use this, you know, for later times to drink while you're, you know, working out or just been depleted of your electrolytes. Then we have our measurements. We're going to start out with a teaspoon of sea salt first. Next, we're going to use the watermelon juice for 1/4 cup of juice. Make sure you get 1/4 cup of juice now. Then we're going to use the lemon juice. Also 1/4 cup lemon juice. Then we're going to have the coconut water. You can use unsweetened. I use a little sweetener. That's just me personally. You can use unsweetened. And it's 1.5 cups. As you can see, I have spring water here for enhanced, more minerals. You don't have to use that. You can use either or, but I use spring water. And that's 2 cups of the spring water added. Now for me, I prefer spring water. You can use both, but I prefer spring water after doing this multiple times. But you can use either one. Remember to blend well, stir well, as I'm doing here, into a mason jar or a measuring cup. Blend well. And the water I used was chilled, so you want this to be chilled. You can put ice in it after you finish, and it's pretty much complete. Now I drink a cup. So as you see, I'm pouring here to make sure the taste is there. Now, after I taste it, I decided to add stevia. But I prefer honey. And that's just me. So I did stevia for this video, but after drinking it, I preferred a tablespoon of honey. You can use a tablespoon of stevia or honey. Now for me, I prefer the honey. Now if you're not going to use it, you can go ahead and refrigerate it, but I usually drink right after. Now it's time to go cut up a section that I forgot to get. Let's get into it. Time for a little hydration. That's where you need it. Good old electrolyte homemade mix. Whew. Pretty good. As we conclude this video, I thank you for tuning in with your boy GDR, man. I hope this video was definitely informational and definitely an eye-opener for you all to consider making your own do-it-yourself electrolyte drink mix. And that's a trending topic right now, especially with the intense heat. So I definitely want you all to be careful. If you're not used to being in the heat, do not be in it. I work in the heat, so I'm prepared for it. I'm used to it, and I know how to take my breaks and I know how to, you know, keep the cool rags and everything, you know, on me. So I do just can't stress it enough. Please be careful when you're out in the heat, especially from 1 to 5 p.m. You know, you need to make sure you're hydrated, fully hydrated. Do not drink a lot of alcohol. It's very, very dangerous. You know, this heat is nothing to play with.
You can definitely have heat stroke. You can have a lot of other heat related illnesses, possibly fatality. So be careful. And I hope that this do-it-yourself drink mix may help you out. There's many others. You know, this is something that I stumbled upon. I wanted to share, you know, with you all. So once again, thank you for tuning in with me. I'm GDR Man. Please go ahead and hit that like and the subscribe button for me for upcoming content I do post. I'm getting ready to post like crazy now. You know, I finally got some time. I've been very busy, you know, dealing with equipment going down and all that, so I haven't really been posting my longer content like I should. But I'm back, and I want y'all to stay tuned. Please hit the notification bell as well to be notified for upcoming content. Once again, stay Lawn Official, stay well, stay hydrated, stay hydrated. It is hot. Until the next one, GDR Man is out. Holla.